So, my hair looks disgusting, but we just put a poll up on my Finsta to see if Riley should trim my hair. And right now, it says no. But we're gonna do it anyway, so I'm gonna take a shower. And then she's gonna do it, and we're doing it outside. Also, look how pretty the sky is. Let's just pause and talk about the important things in life. Okay, but we're trying to figure out where to do this. Oh, this looks good.
Okay, yeah, this will work. Yeah,
that's good?
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna take a shower now. And maybe the poll will change to yes, but maybe not. Okay, but Riley is so excited.
We're still gonna do it.
We found a cape and scissors, and it's cute. Okay, so I just took a shower, and now she's gonna cut my hair. The poll ended up switching 60% yes, 40% no. So most people said yes.
Yes, so we're gonna do it.
We were gonna do it anyway, but am I really? Mom, I'm balding.
Sorry.
Does it run in the family? Close the door. Okay. I'm scared. Literally, okay, so what are you thinking of trimming?
Literally, like, barely anything. Less than that.
Okay, you can do more than that.
More than this?
Yeah.
Oh.
But like a really tiny bit.
Things are coming off the scissors.
I'm scared! Did you cut anything yet?
Not yet. I'm sure I have a good. Okay, we're snipping.
I'm scared!
I cut. Yeah.
It looks good?
Yeah.
Wow! Natural talent!
Would you like to see your hair?
Sure. I can tell that it looks healthier.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my god, I love it!
It looks pretty good.
This piece is a little longer.
We need some adjusting, like, I want you to see if you could hold this light.
Should we go in the garage?
It's really hard to see.
So the garage. Okay. We're moving to the garage. So we moved to the garage because it was too dark in the backyard and it was really windy. Except it's really hot in here. What is Riley doing? Riley's looking for some more tools to do this.
A screwdriver. Get on me.
What?
I think I need a spray bottle. I mean, the hair is like gonna get on. I think I need a spray bottle. I wonder if do we have one out here?
I don't know.
I think it's still gonna be uneven.
Yeah.
Do you want to stop now?
I don't know what to do. I mean,
Unless I pull to the side and cut from the side.
okay, we can try that. Let's try that before we start doing more. There's just like this piece is like really short.
Because it's from the very back. This center of the back. Unless you made it stuff on the front. Then it would be like this from the back. I still should stop now. So I could cut like that. But I don't know what that's gonna do.
I don't either. Okay,
It's definitely not straight in the back. Wait, is your hair supposed to go like this in the back? Or is it supposed to be straight across?
I do straight across.
Yeah, well, it's not anymore. like the sides are like shorter.
I don't know. Maybe should we just stop
Yeah, I see.
and then I just make an appointment?
But this is like really short now. Not like really short, but like I'm gonna have to cut off like that much again.
Take a picture.
Okay, see that hair? See how good that was? And then you made me fix that piece. See how good it was? No, but do you see how good it was?
Yeah.
My I was doing good until you were like, I think we should fix it.
So we stopped cutting because it was just
go to school.
Yeah, it's okay. We just realized, let's just call Megan, my hair lady. Yeah. She'll fix it.
And in a few years, I can redeem myself.
Yes. But yeah, it's really not that much of a difference. And it was just the under part. So I'm just gonna call Megan tomorrow.